ne de mi bedidi. Wi akoko mam yam nyina ahye. Ene yam me hu nyina wa ha.
Excuse me, sir. Please, what are you ordering?
Audrey. Wine Audrey. Mami akoko.
Excuse me. I mean food. What food should I give you?
Food?
Yeah.
Adrian, akoko. Akoko.
Oh, you want to dance?
Dance. Dance say me nkwa na me ba ha o. Akoko. Akoko I can't say mo brofo. Nkusiano.
Oh, you mean egg? Oh, okay.
Mother.
My madam? I'm sorry she's not around.
Nkusiano. Akoko ne mame. Jo tutu nkusiano obi finitu. Only finitu. Eno no oyigu osi. The mother.
Oh, you mean chicken?
Kitchen.
Oh, sorry, it's chicken.
It's kitchen.
Okay, I'll be with you.
Oh, you. Kitchen. Sending na kitchen. I'm the fuck kitchen in Brem na Mary.
Me mama want know what me do, me a gonzozi. But go why ya chase destiny. Them a want me attend to boy batty. Abati white the prior manti. Me mama want know what me do, me a gonzozi. But go why ya chase destiny.